review. We're going to go to Google Scholar and type in the keywords "attention university students." Then we quickly skim through the abstracts of the different articles provided by Google Scholar to find scholarly articles that are related to the topic of the struggle for attention among college students. Our first page on Google Scholar has 8 articles related to our topic. We can find more articles on other pages. When retrieving scholarly articles, you must consider different research methods, including quantitative, qualitative, and mixed methods. The main reason for considering scholarly articles that rely on different research methods when reviewing the literature is that the main point of conducting a literature review is to broaden your understanding of your research topic and to refine your topic by finding research gaps. We can go ahead and search the different keywords on Google Scholar and retrieve all the relevant scholarly articles. It's also important to only consider scholarly articles published in peer-reviewed journals. Articles published in peer-reviewed journals are credible compared to articles that may be found on regular websites. For example, this article was published in the International Journal of Psychology, which is a peer-reviewed journal. After you skim through the different abstracts, you will also see whether the article relates to your research topic or the research population, which in our case are college students. Another important method we can use to retrieve scholarly articles is to check the bibliography or reference sections of our retrieved articles. Always check the reference section of your retrieved scholarly articles for more articles you can use in your study. For example, if I check the reference section of one of my articles by Weaver and Schwank 2021, I can see that the reference section has numerous articles I can use for my literature review. For instance, the first article in the reference section relates to my topic. If you want more in-depth tutorial on how to retrieve scholarly articles, check the link in the description of a video I have done before. How